we have to show that diagonals of a square are equal and bisect each other at right angles. So what's given for us? It's only a square. But we have to prove 3 points. They are the diagonals AC and BD are equal. Next, AC and BC bisect each other. That means OC is equal to OA, OD is equal to OB. And AC perpendicular to BD. That means each angles formed around O are 90 degree. Okay, we will move to the first section. How can we prove that the diagonals are equal? For that, we are going to prove the congruency of two triangles having corresponding sides AC and BD. That will help us to prove that AC is equal to BD. From the diagram, can you figure out the triangle having BD as its side? It is triangle BAD. Then what about the other triangle having AC as one of its side? It is triangle ABC. So consider triangle ABC and triangle BAD. Now prove that the congruency of these two triangles. In these two triangles, AB is equal to BA. That is common for both the triangles, so they are equal. Now BC is equal to AD because they are the opposite sides of a square and all the sides of a square are equal. Now angle ABC is equal to angle BAD. So we can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BAD by SAS congruency rule. So we reach to our conclusion that AC is equal to BD by CPCT because AC and BD are the corresponding sides of two congruent triangles. Hence we proved that the diagonals are equal. Let's move to the second section. Here we need to prove that AC and BD bisect each other. That is, OA equal to OC and OD is equal to OB. For that also, we are going to consider two triangles having sides OAOC and OBOD so that its congruency will help us to prove all these sides are equal. So select such two triangles from the figure. They are triangle OAD and triangle OCB. OAD contains the sides OA and OD. OCB contains the sides OB and OC. Now look into its congruency. In both the triangles, AD is equal to CB because they are the sides of a square and all the sides of a square are equal. So AD is equal to CB. Next, we have to think about the parallel lines and the transversal. Since it is a square, AB and DC are parallel to each other and DB act as the transversal for it. So its alternate interior angles, that is angle ADO and angle CBO, are equal. Similarly, we can consider the same parallel lines AB and CD and transversal AC. When AC is the transversal, the alternate interior angles are angle DAO and angle BCO. Since they are alternate interior angles, they are also equal. So by ASA congruency rule, we reached the conclusion that triangle OAD is congruent to triangle OCP. Since they are congruent, their corresponding sides, that is OA is equal to the corresponding side OC and OD is equal to OB. Hence we proved the diagonals AC and BD bisect each other at O. Now we will look into the third section. Here we need to prove that AC is perpendicular to BD, that the diagonals are perpendicular to each other. For that, we need to prove that the angle formed around O are 90 degree. So consider two triangles having O as one of its angles. They are triangle OBA and triangle ODA. In these two triangles, OB is equal to OD, that we have proved in the second section. BA is equal to DA because they are the sides of a square and all the sides of a square are equal. Now OA equal to OA, which is common for both the triangles. Hence, we can say that triangle OBA is congruent to triangle ODA by SSS congruency rule. So angle AOB is equal to angle AOD by CPCT. But this one is not enough for us to prove that AC perpendicular to BD. For that, we need to prove that angle O is equal to 90 degree. For that, I am going to use the linear pair axiom on the angles over the line BD. Those angles are angle AOB and angle AOD. Since they are on a line, their sum is 180 degree. That means angle AOB plus angle AOD is equal to 180 degree. But we have just proved that these two angles are equal. So we can rewrite the same as angle AOB plus angle AOB is equal to 180 degree. That means 2 times angle AOB is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, each angle AOB and angle AOD is equal to 90 degree. Hence, we reached to the conclusion that AC is perpendicular to BD. From all the above result, we proved that the diagonals of a square are equal and bisect each other at right angles.